tattoo. Love struck, shot with a harpoon, flying high as a balloon. And I ain't coming down, got no chill around you. But I'm trying to play it cool. Don't wanna rush it on too soon. I'm keeping you around superstitiously. I'm watching my words, all of my words now. Like a birthday wish, don't say it out loud, never out loud. Yeah, I want to tell everyone that you are my only one. Scream it at the top of my lungs, but I'm whispering, cause I don't wanna jinx it. Bluebirds flying around my head, wet dreams swimming around my bed. Eyes closed, 11:11. Hoping you'll stay, fingers crossed when I kiss you. Knocking wood when I miss you. Acting like a teenage fool when you are with me. Superstitiously, I'm watching my words, all of my words now. Like a birthday wish, don't say it out loud, never out loud, no. Yeah, I want to tell everyone that you are my only one. Scream it at the top of my lungs, but I'm whispering, cause I don't wanna jinx it. I don't wanna jinx it. Superstitiously, oh. Like a birthday dream, don't say it out loud, don't say it out loud. Yeah, I want to tell everyone that you are my only one. Screaming at the top of my lungs, but I'm whispering, cause I don't wanna jinx it. Oh no, I don't wanna jinx it. I don't wanna jinx it.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment. dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-intended right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. You do you want to come on? Scooch on over closer, dear. I'll whisper in your ear. Oh yes, love, 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 love you, love, love you, love. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to